Aloha students, today we're going to continue taking notes on Mesopotamia in our social studies composition book. We are going to focus our note taking on irrigation and farming and natural defenses. Now the notes I am providing you with can also be found in your Mesopotamia assignments. So as I go over the notes with you, and if I'm speaking a little too fast, I want you to rewatch this video and pause it where necessary so you can copy down the notes. Okay? So don't stress and don't feel that, oh, I can't write fast enough. No, pause it and stop it so you can copy down the notes as needed. Okay. The first note that you're going to put under the tab under irrigation and farming is the first bullet. Irrigation is a way of watering crops. Okay, I repeat myself. Irrigation is a way of watering crops. Second bullet, it allowed farmers to grow lots of food. Allowed farmers to grow lots of food. Third, to control floods, they built dams and channels. To control floods, they built dams and channels. Fourth, to bring water to the fields, they built walls, waterways, and ditches. Again, to bring water to the fields, they built walls, waterways, and ditches. Next bullet, leading crops were wheat and barley. Leading crops are wheat and barley. They also grew beans, onions, lettuce, cucumbers, spices, apples, etc. I repeat, they also grew beans, onions, lettuce, cucumbers, spices, apples, etc. And lastly, sheep provided milk and wool. And one more, cattle provided meat, milk, leather, and they were great work animals. Okay, so again in Mesopotamia for irrigation farming, you know that they had sheep that provided the milk and wool, and cattle that provided meat, milk, leather, and work. They're good work animals. Okay, the next topic or flap that you're going to look at is on the natural defenses. Okay, so Mesopotamia's natural defenses. And there's only two things that you need to copy under this flap. The first is that Mesopotamia had flat mud plains that helped keep enemies away. Okay, flat mud plains that help keep the enemies away. And they had few other natural defenses. Just a few other natural defenses. All right. So as you copy down your notes in your social studies composition book, it's a good opportunity for you folks to go over and review it on a daily basis. So the notes you copied yesterday and the notes you copied down today, make sure that you folks go over it, study it, and review it on a daily basis, because this is only going to help you when you have a formative to do. Okay? Are there any questions? If you do have any, please see your social studies teachers during office hours. Okay? Thank you. Bye.